Hi friends, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can speak English fluently and confidently because I thought that I should make a video related to this topic because many of you and many people wanted to ask me and they always commented me that how we can speak English fluently and confidently and so I thought that I should make a video related to this topic and first of all, if you are new in this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can also get many things from me and you can get motivation from me and you can learn many things from my videos. So please subscribe my channel and I'm going to tell you that what should you do that you can also speak English fluently and confidently without hesitation. And it's happen with every beginner and every people when they are trying to speak English fluently and they got stuck and there are no any words coming in their mind. So it's happened with every beginner and when I was learning the English and when I was also trying to speak English in front of people, so I was also stucking and I was also not able to speaking like this in English. So what did I do and what did I do that I will tell you in this video. So I'm going to tell you that what did I do that time that now I am able to speak English fluently and confidently. I am not saying that I am speaking English fluently and confidently because now I am also learner and I can say I am also new in this matter because it's been only 2 months after I started the conversation video and it's been only 2 months after making the English video. So I'm not saying that I'm perfect in the English, but I'm trying and I'm also struggling to learn this language. And definitely that day will come also in my life when I will speak English perfect and when I will speak English very fluently and confidently. Yeah. So I am going to tell you that what should you do that you can also speak English fluently and confidently. First thing, you are thinking negativity. Yes, you are thinking negativity. Negativity is that you are thinking that what will people say that I will if I will mistake, and you are thinking that. I cannot do it. It is hard work. So I am going to tell you that it is nothing. What should you do? I am going to tell you that first thing you have to reading the books. Yeah, reading the books is the perfect idea to improve the English and reading the books is the most important things to speak English fluently and confidently because I had applied these tricks and what should you do at your home? Everybody has books at their home and you can collect any type of books like children books, story books and any type of books, English book. After that you have to read 30 minutes only. Okay, you can do it. You can do it, I know. And you have to read every day 30 minutes. After reading the books you should try to speak. After that you should try to writing. Yes, and every day you have to do some works. After that think in only English. Yes, think in only English, not in your mother tongue and not in local language. It really works to improve our English and definitely you will speak very fluent the English after that practicing. Yes, because without practicing we cannot speak English. It's happened that I have seen and I have seen in this world there are many more people who had a lot of English grammar knowledge also and they can easily understand the English and they can define the English from Hindi and Hindi from English and also their local language they can easily translate. But whenever they try to speak English in front of the people, they are not able to speak English. They are speaking only 1 2 line. After that, they are getting stucking. So what's the reason? Reason is that you are not doing practicing. When you will try to speak, definitely you will speak English properly. And you need to consistency. You need to patience. Without patience, you will never speak English. It's happened that suppose that a man who started to speak English before 10 days, and it's been about 15 days to 20 days, and he is saying that it's past the 20 days now I am not able to speak English fluently. So you need to consistency. Okay, without consistency you can't achieve anything. So you need to first consistency and definitely you can speak English fluently. Just you need to patience. Yeah, and confidence comes after practicing with someone. And if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, definitely you can speak English. Just you have to do it. Just you have to do that. First, say I am repeating. First, you have to do reading the books. After that, you have to think in English. After that, you have to writing. Which story you have read that you have to try to speak and try to writing anything which you have studied at your book. After that, you have to think only in English. Yeah, it is most important things. Without thinking in English you will never speak English fluently and confidently. After that, practicing every day, you have to try to connect different people from all over the India world. From this country there are many more apps available free of cost. You can find many people for practicing with you. And there are, if you have not any friends, you have just do at your home, you have to speak English yourself in English. first you have to think only in English. After that you should try to speak English in front of the mirror. Yes, after that whenever you are sleeping at a night and also day, before sleeping 30 minutes you have to do, you have to do one thing, and that is you have to think only in English before sleeping. Before 30 minutes of the sleeping you have think only in English word. And many people wanted to ask me that what should I think before sleeping. So guys, I'm going to tell you that you have to think all the activity you have done at the day, and whenever you had gone to the market, and what accident you saw there, whenever you had gone to the school, and what type of activity you did there. So you have to think all the activities which you have done at this day, like this, and you can do it, and you have to try to speak without speak. And if you will not practicing, I mean if you will not try to speak English, you will never speak fluently and confidently. So please guys, if you are new in this video, please subscribe my channel. It is enough in this video. We shall meet again in another video. Goodbye.